Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from your Web3 wallet to exchange in Binance. For that, first of all, you need to simply launch your Binance application. If you don't have Binance account, you can just use the link that is given in the description. You will get extra sign-up bonuses if you use that link. So once you are here inside your Binance application, instead of exchange, first of all, you need to tap on the option of wallet. Now you need to separately set up your Web3 wallet first. So I'm assuming that you already have it. So here you are going to see the amount that is available in your account, which in my case is this. So in order to transfer it to exchange, first of all, tap on the option of assets here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the option of USDT. After that, select the option of send. Then select the option of transfer to Binance Exchange. Once you do this, it will automatically select the network. You don't need to do anything over here. Now enter the amount of USDT which you want to basically transfer from your Web3 wallet to your exchange in Binance, just like so. Over here, press the option of continue in the bottom, and within just a few seconds, you are going to transfer your USDT from your Web3 wallet to your Binance exchange. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.